How to use bench boost and triple captainships in Fantasy Premier League. Let's get started. Want to maximize your points and climb the ranks in Fantasy Premier League? The bench boost and triple captainships can be game changers if used correctly. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you will see the search box, or you type in Fantasy Premier League and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, fantasy.premierleague.com. You'll be directed to the login page. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll land to this kind of page. Now over here, you'll find this section of Pick Team. Click on it. With that, you're gonna get these options: Bench Boost, Triple Captain, and so on. Click on Bench Boost. This chip allows you to earn points from all players in your squad during a game week, including those on a bench. This increases your chances of scoring big from your entire squad. Before activating Bench Boost, make sure all your players are likely to play and consider making transfers to strengthen your bench. Click on the option of Triple Captain. With this chip, your selected captain's points are triple instead of double for one game week. The Triple Captain chip should be used on a player who's in the top form, has favorable fixtures, and ideally is playing in a double game week. If you want to use it, click on Play Chip. With that, it's gonna start. So this is how you can easily use bench boost and triple captain chips in Fantasy Premier League. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.